Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's look is all going to be about the twist and curl. So I got this idea, well, I saw this hairstylist on Instagram. I think her name is Style Queen Beauty. I'll post her Instagram name in the comments below, and I saw that she was doing like corkscrew curls, twist and curls. She's based out of Virginia, and I loved how they came out. And you guys know my hair is in this like weird shape right now where it's been growing out, but I wanted to give the twist and curl a try, of course, because one of the products we are coming out with for J.Antoinette is the twist and curl souffle. So I thought like, yo, that would be perfect for me to try and do a twist and curl with a twist and curl souffle. So for J.Antoinette, we are getting ready to launch 2 brand new products next month. Hopefully, fingers crossed, all goes well. Our ever so anticipated hydrotherapy mist. So this is it here. This is the bottle that it's gonna come in, you guys. We are so much closer to getting this product out for you guys. I know so many of you guys have inboxed me and messaged me about this product. It is almost out. So this is the hydrotherapy spray and, well, the hydrotherapy mist, and this is the twist and curl souffle. So this is gonna be, I think, my first video actually doing using this product, and I'm excited. I actually recorded another video using this, but that did not make it to YouTube. So maybe what I'll do is I'll put a little bit of clips from that video and insert it in this video today. But without further ado, let's get into this look. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to 2-strand twist the middle of my hair, so the lengthy parts of my hair, and I think the short parts I'm going to flat twist them down. So today I will be using our micro rods. So I'm going to be doing a micro rod set on my hair. I am going to use the smaller rods at the back and the bigger rods in the front. Y'all know what's going on under here. So let's get into this look and let's see what we can do, darling. Let's go.
Alright guys, so starting off with this look, we are going to go in with the hydrotherapy mist. So what I'm doing is I'm going to saturate my hair with this mist. I'm going to replace the water that was dried out. I'm not going to make it soaking wet, but I'm just going to make sure it's saturated so it's nice and moist before I start doing anything. So I'm separating my hair. I'm basically going with the original cut. So the top was longer, the back was shaved off. So I'm just following that lineup with how my hair was cut. Following this, I am going to go in with a special oil blend. It's a herbal extract that I am making. There it is. I am going to apply this to my scalp and I am going to do a mini scalp massage. After doing that, we are going to detangle, and then we are going to go in with the twist and curl souffle and start flat twisting the sides of my hair. Yeah, check out that growth. You go, girl. Yeah, my hair has been growing really well, you guys. I'm so excited. I really do need to do an updated hair growth video, like a comparison side-by-side video. So I will put that on the list. That will be coming soon. And here we are starting the flat twist process.
Just tell me you love me for one night. Run away, come with me and stay. Just tell me you love me, it's alright. Close now, closed off to the world we left. Let it go now, let me get this off your chest. My love is raw, it fills ya. I shower in your ocean. Trace the lines that thrill ya. I learned your soul this weekend. Run away, come with me and stay. Just tell me you love me for one night. Run away, come with me and stay. Just tell me you love me, it's all
All right, guys, so starting off with the top section now, I am sectioning my hair off and I am going to go in with the hydrotherapy mist. Then we're going to go in with the oil. I'm going to add the twist and curl souffle and then a little bit of the Mielle Organics Mongongo oil style setting spray. And that is going to be the routine for every section of hair that I section off. So I'm going to do my 2-strand twist. I did not use the large purple perm rods after all, so I just stuck with the 2 micro rods, the small yellow ones, and then the little larger ones from that yellow size, which is the pink. So that's what I did. You're also going to see that I added alligator clips to the roots, the double prong clips, and I did that to add volume to the hair, so to lift the hair off of the roots, just to give the hair some volume. So as you can see, we went in with the hydrotherapy mist, we did the oil, we did the twist and curl souffle, and then a little bit of the style setting spray, and that's it. We're gonna add the micro rods, and then I am going to go to bed. You're gonna see I'm gonna come back, honey, with my face beat, because y'all know I gotta look like some kind of sense. And then I'm going to do the takedown, and you guys, oh my god, you are going to see. I loved the results.
Take it slow now. We ain't gotta rush to bed. All alone now. Let me get inside your head. What lies ahead might kill ya. Your heart is out for me to take apart and go through ya. I'll learn your soul so we can run away, come with me and stay. Just tell me you love me for one night. Run away, come with me and stay. Just tell me you love me, it's alright. Close now, closed off to the world we left. Let it go. My love is raw, it fills ya. I shower in your ocean. Trace the lines that thrill ya. I learned your soul this weekend. Run away, come with me and stay. Just tell me you love me for one night. Run away, come with me and stay. Just tell me you love me, it's alright. I know you feel this, I know you need it. You say you want us, but do you mean it? I know you feel, I know you need. You say you want, but do you? Run away, come with me and stay. Just tell me you love me for one night. Run away, come with me and stay. Just tell me you love me, it's alright. Run away, I know you feel, I know you need. Run away, I know you feel. Take it slow now. We ain't gotta rush to bed. All alone now. Let me get inside your head. What lies ahead might kill ya. Your heart is out for me to take apart and go through ya. I'll learn your soul You love me, it's alright. Close now, closed off to the world we left. Let it go now, let me get this off your chest.
Alright guys, so here is the finished look. Let me know what you think, because honey, she is looking real cute. Okay, yeah, okay, so of course I fluffed and fluffed and fluffed. So in order to have volume, you have to sacrifice the definition. So I did not do this style for definition. I did this style for volume and to have curls on the top. And so this is exactly the look I was going for. I just wanted, because you know my hair is shaped, like the cut is real funny, so I wanted to make it look like it was still tapered even though it's not. So I wanted to make it look like it was still tapered, so that's why I twisted it down, and I didn't pick the back as much. So then I just let it grow in volume as it came to the top. So yeah guys, this is the finished look. And do you like my makeup? Do you think I should upload a video of this look? Because I mean honey, I flayed the heck out of my face today, boo. Woo! But yeah, I mean the look is just this, I love it, I love it, I love it. The twist and curl cream did an amazing job, as you guys can see, but I wanted to pick it out because I really wanted this look to be more about volume, and that pretty, that just really nice tapered faux hawk. And yeah, I mean, geez Louise, it is so cute. You guys let me know what you think. All right guys, so leave a thumbs up, give me a thumbs up if you liked this video, subscribe if you like this video, and leave a comment below letting me know if you like this video. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, honey, and let me know if you want me to post a video on this makeup look, cause y'all know how I feel, cue Beyonce and Nicki, cause I'm feeling myself, little kitty. I am so loving this look, you guys. I'm loving the eyes. I mean, I'm about to go outside and take some pictures because the sun is still up. Honey, yes, honey, I outdid myself today. The glory of the Lord was on me today, honey, doing this look. Yes, boo. Just slay queen. Slay queen, okay? Sometimes you gotta encourage yourself. So I'm gonna tell myself, girl, you better slay queen. You better slay. Oh my god, I love this look so much. This may be my summer go-to, guys. Like, yeah, this may be my summer go-to. Even though I ain't got time to be putting all those spiral rods in my hair, though. But yeah, we gonna have to do something like this because this is super cute. This is really, really, really cute. I love the results from twisting the hair down on the sides and doing the two-strand twists in the middle. Perfect, beautiful, amazing results. So guys, until I see you guys again, stay beautiful. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.